we'll guide you through how to access Dropbox version history. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website using your desktop browser and log into your account. Once you're on the homepage, locate the file for which you want to view the version history. Hover your mouse over the file and you'll see a three-dot menu icon appear to the right. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find the option labeled Version History. Click on it. A new window will pop up showing you a list of previous versions of the file, including the date and time they were saved. You can scroll through this list to find the specific version you're interested in. When you find the version you want, just click on Restore if you wish to revert to that version, or click on Preview to view it without making any changes. This feature is incredibly useful for tracking changes or recovering previous work, especially if multiple people are collaborating on the same document. Remember, version history is available for a limited time depending on your Dropbox plan, so make sure to check the specifics of your account. If you need to maintain version history for a longer period, you might want to consider upgrading your plan. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.